Mm. Mm.
Welcome my lovely viewers. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some small things you're supposed to do just as in any other business. Yeah, after making sales on your farm, you'll be tempted to spend all your profits without taking care of your business itself or looking for ways to maintain your business, okay? And in today's video, I just made about how to also like a kind of reinvestment into your business as well, especially your pig farm, okay? All right, so you can see that there are damages in the farm and then there are faults, okay? So what I'm supposed to do is to maintain them, okay? And you can't just maintain them without, when you have spent all your money, you can't maintain it, okay? At least you will need the services of some experts, okay? And that's why I've made this video to let you know that you can see here has been uprooted or it's been damaged, or then the cement removed by the pigs over here, okay? So what I'm supposed to tell you in this video is, if yours is just a cemented floor like mine, okay, you are supposed to let your mason get to know and make him aware that he should make enough cement or put enough cement into the floor, okay? In the process of cementing, he should put enough of the cement so that the pigs find it difficult to damage it or uproot it. Pigs are animals with strong, if I don't want to see the mouth, okay, strong snout, okay, so they can use that strongness in their snout to dig deeper if the floor is not well cemented. And as you can see in my video here, you can see it has been damaged and it has been dug out, okay? So this makes even cleaning more difficult on the farm. So as a pig farmer, just tell your mason that you should ensure enough cement in the farm and never to let anything be short of it, okay? Let him know that you will do it. All right, so just tell your mason to put enough cement when he's about to cement the floor, okay, so that the pigs cannot easily dig into it, okay? And then with the feeders and the drinkers, make sure there is enough of cement also as well. Make it smooth as possible, okay, so that there will be no particles breaking from it into the water or the feed, because that can be harmful to your animals. So ensure that the feeder or the drinker is very smooth, nicely rubbed with the cement, okay? All right, so in this video I think you have got something from it by putting enough cement when cementing the floor, and then putting enough also into the drinkers and feeders, so that there's no soil particle in your feed or the water they will be drinking. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn on notification bell so you can get notified whenever a new one is uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all and I thank you very much for always being with me. You can let me hear if you have any suggestion in the comment section.